Exhaust manifold bolts broken off in the head of your LS? No problem. I'm going to show you how to get those out. Welcome to another guy's garage. Here we are again back in the garage with my junkyard LS. I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a broken exhaust manifold bolt out of an aluminum head. So it's the rear stud on the passenger side. I also have one in the same spot on the driver's side. I actually had two that were broken that were sticking out, and the ones that are sticking out are pretty easy to get. This one was also right here, so it was on this back cylinder. There was enough sticking out of the head that I could just spray some penetrating oil, a little bit of heat, and was able to extract those pretty easily. Let's come on around to the front here. I'm going to show you what I got on the other side. Also, same spot. As you can see, it's kind of dark and hole, but same spot. I got another one broken off on this side. Well, guys, because it's on a stand, I'm going to cheat, make it easy for you to see and me to work. So I'm going to drop that first. I'm going to tilt this over on its side so you can get right in here and see what's going on as I work. First, I'm going to cover anything that I don't want welding slag to go into, like these exhaust ports, just to protect it, because I'm only going to be working right there. So it's going to get a little bit of hot, tape's going to stick, but that's nothing solvent won't take care of later. I'm going to do that on both sides here. So you could drill a hole and use an easy out or something to get in there and try to get it turning. But what I found is the quickest, easiest way, if you've got a welder, to go ahead and use that to get these out. The key is the weld bead's not going to stick to the aluminum, but it will stick to that metal bolt that's stuck in there. I've got a pretty basic Lincoln Electric welder here. It does great for everything I need it for, body work and light repairs, that sort of thing. Especially for this, it's absolutely perfect. So with these aluminum heads, it's not uncommon that you thread a steel bolt into them, and you have what's called galvanic corrosion, which is basically two dissimilar metals that corrode into each other. Again, I'm not sure why it's always seems to be this last cylinder over here, but it just seemed to be where it's at on the last two motors I've had. So again, curious, put it in the comments and let me know, where are yours? Are they back here? Are they somewhere else on the block? But these two are beyond the surface of the head, which is going to make it extra tricky to get out. But the welder's going to make short work of that. You can see there's nothing to grab onto there, and it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward, even if you don't have great welding skills. I don't have great welding skills, and I can do it. All right, here we go. Let's try to grab this. All I did was build this up to give myself something to grab onto with the vice grips here. Try and get a grip on it. And we're going to try and work it loose. I'm going to wiggle it back and forth. Hopefully it's coming and it's not just breaking the weld off again. Although, hey, it could be a distinct possibility. The weld's a little bit soft. It took me last time a couple times. Yep, it's going to take me a couple times. We're actually coming. Yep. I think I broke. Oh, that's not good. Let's try not to do that again. Mar it up with the vice grip after all this work. Oh. Now that it's starting to come, I'm going to give it a little bit of help. I'm going to turn my welder off so you don't have to listen to the fan run. Just listen to the heater around. I'm gonna give a little bit of help. Squirt some of this. It's all free. I got this at a Good Guys show 2 years ago. Really nice young lady was looking to get out of there for the day and handed me a whole box of samples. I've always been a PV Blaster fan. That's what I grew up on, but this stuff doesn't seem to work too bad. And here we go. I think we got it. All right, there we have it. Broken stud out of the head. Let me clean it up so you can get a good look at what it did. And there you have it. This side is out. All right, guys, long story short, I tried the washer method. I tried to weld the bolt to it. It's just not working. I'm going to go back to the way that I know works, and that is just to build up that weld and then use vice grips and peel it off. So here we go. We might have it. This one was thoroughly stuck. Back to the first method of just building up the weld bead on the end of the bolt and basically remaking that bolt. All right, I'm going to spray it with a little bit of lube, give it some help here. Another stubborn, broken bolt from an exhaust manifold. All right, there you have it. I'll clean this up with a little bit of sandpaper, maybe a Scotch-Brite on a die grinder, but yeah, it's out. Thanks for hanging out. Please hit the like and subscribe. In fact, if you subscribe, tell me you did. Leave a message in the comments, and I will personally thank each and every one of you who does. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.